So if you've ever plugged a hard drive into your iPad and nothing happens, or maybe it pops up but you can't save files to it, that's usually because the drive isn't formatted in the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to format an external hard drive on your iPad, explain the best formats to choose, and even how to use two drives at once, which can be really handy when you want to copy or move files directly between them without needing a computer. Okay, so to get started, you're going to need your external hard drive or your SSD, or you can even use a USB. If your external hard drive is an older one with a USB-A, you can get an adapter that has a USB-C to USB-A and plug it in, and then this will go directly into your iPad. Most of the time with my iPad, I use this SSD here, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to use a USB because I don't want to delete any files off of my hard drives. And then what you want to do is open up the Files app. So then if you have a look over here under Locations, this is where we're going to see the drive pop up in. So I'll plug my USB into the iPad. And then you can see here, 32 gig USB. Yours will be named either the brand of your drive or whatever you've renamed it to be. So to format your drive, what you need to do is press and hold on it. And then we need to click on Erase. And then once you've clicked on Erase, you'll be greeted with this dialog box. And in here is where we need to choose the format of what our drive is going to be. Now, if you're only using your drive on Apple devices such as a MacBook, an iPad, or even an iPhone, you can choose APFS, which is Apple's file system. If you choose APFS, you also have the option to encrypt your drive. So if you turn this on, you can add a password to your hard drive or USB. So whenever it's plugged into a device, you'll have to enter the password. So this is a really good feature if you want to encrypt your drive. For me, I mostly use ExFAT. Now, ExFAT is a good one because it's the most versatile format. It can be used on Windows computers, Android devices. You can use it on any Apple devices like your Mac, iPad, and iPhone as well. And then you have MS-DOS, and this is an older format that we used to use a long time ago when our USBs and hard drives were really small. It can only handle up to 4 gigabytes. So if your drive is bigger than 4 gig, I wouldn't use this one. Pretty much all USBs and external hard drives are going to be more than 16 gigabytes these days. So yeah, you probably don't really need to worry about MS-DOS. I would stick with either the Apple file system or ExFAT. So I have selected ExFAT, which is the format I want to use, and then we can give our drive a name. So you can either leave it what it's already named, or you can change it to something different. So I might call this one Sam's USB. And then if we come up here and hit Erase, it will then bring up a warning, which is just going to remind you that it's going to delete everything off of your drive. So make sure you are happy with that before you go ahead. And then we'll click Erase. And you can see it over here. It will start the process. And now it's done. And now it's called Sam's USB. So if we click on that, we have an empty USB that has been formatted. And if you want to check that it's formatted in the right format, you can press and hold on it. And then go Get Info. And you can see here under Format, it is now ExFAT. So the last thing I want to show you is how you can plug in multiple hard drives to your iPad. So to do this, you'll need a USB-C hub, and I will link a similar one to this below. I got this one years ago, so I don't think it will be on Amazon, but I'll find something similar. So it just needs to have a USB-C connection to go into your iPad, and it needs to have some USB ports. So this one here has USB-A ports, so I can plug my hard drives that have USB-A, but I'll see if there's ones with USB-C ports as well, and I'll link a few options below. But this hub also has a HDMI port, SD card reader, and Ethernet. So it's a really handy thing to have. So what you want to do is plug this into your iPad, and then I have my Seagate drive, which I'm going to plug in. And you'll see it pop up over here. Yep. And then I also have another Seagate drive, which I use for backing up stuff, which we'll plug in as well. So now you can see I have two drives here. We have the Seagate expansion drive, which is this black one, and then I have my 5 terabyte, which was the silver one. So now we can view both drives at once and move files in between them. So I can just click and drag and drop. You can see that it's got a little warning on this one, and that's actually because this Seagate drive is in a format that is only readable on Windows. So if I click and hold on this and we go get info, this drive is actually formatted in NTFS. With an NTFS drive, we can only view files on here. You can see down here it also says read only. So I only can view files on this drive. I can't copy anything on there. But if we go to this 5 terabyte drive and I click and hold, we go get info. This one's ExFAT, so I can actually move files onto it. So if I go to my iPad and let's just say I want to move this file, we can click and drag and drop it onto the 5 terabyte. And that will copy over fine, but I won't be able to copy it onto this one because that's formatted in NTFS, which is for Windows, not Apple devices. And that's how you format an external hard drive on your iPad. If you want to learn how to transfer files and photos over to your hard drive, check out this video next. I've also left links in the description of a similar hub to mine along with the hard drives that I use. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.